Welcome back, everyone. This is Dave from Corman Production. Now, this news item that I'm about to share has absolutely nothing to do with anything that I generally do here, but nevertheless, I found it a fun little news item that I wanted to share with you guys. This is from abclub.com and is titled, "The National Health Service Urges You Not to Listen to Gwyneth Paltrow on Coronavirus Recovery," written by Shannon Miller. Oh boy, this is a bad sign. I can't even read the title without laughing. Anyway, the article reads as follows. Most of us do not need an official reminder to ignore the majority of Gwyneth Paltrow's advice on health and wellness. However, when the actress turned Goop founder recently tested positive for coronavirus, she took the opportunity to use her massive platform to share how she personally got over the disease. Yes, it involves at least one Goop product. No, it thankfully does not involve inserting crystals in any orifices, so we can at least celebrate a small victory there. Paltrow penned a blog post where she revealed that she contracted COVID early on, which left her with a long tail fatigue and brain fog. She said she also had to deal with high inflammation and was told by a functional medicine practitioner, a quick Google research confirmed, functional medicine is a form of alternate medicine that, per Wikipedia, encompasses a number of unproven and disproven methods and treatments. So there's that. That the long road to recovery would be a lengthy one. He then conveniently pointed her in the direction of his own book about intuitive fasting, which she says she's been doing a version of in her recovery. Paltrow says that she reverted to a keto and plant-based diet, uses lots of coconut aminos, and indulges in an infrared. Everything I'm doing feels good, like a gift to my body. I have energy, I'm working out in the mornings, and I'm doing an infrared sauna as often as I can, in the service of healing. This, of course, is allegedly backed by nondescript research that she's conducted, which somehow supports her whole gestures vaguely towards the Goop site thing. Speaking of, lots of the helpful items that were instrumental in her recovery are linked back to the Goop store, which benefits you more than her, we're sure. But it's mainly the healing bit that understandably raised a few hackles with the NHS England, which addressed Paltrow's stance. In the last few days, I see Gwyneth Paltrow is unfortunately suffering from the effects of COVID, NHS Medical Director Stephen Prowls told The Guardian. We wish her well, but some of the solutions she's recommending are really not the solutions we'd recommend in the NHS, he continues. We need to take a long COVID seriously and apply serious science. All influencers who use social media have a duty of responsibility and a duty of care around that. Like the virus, misinformation carries across borders and it mutates and it evolves. So I think YouTube and other social media platforms have a real responsibility and opportunity here. Goop has already had to cop to its less than true claims in a hefty 2018 settlement regarding its line of vagina eggs, which obviously did not lead to any material health benefits. Yet, it still managed to become the subject of a non-satirical Netflix show. Amazing. Suffice it to say, I feel that celebrities, and really anybody, should not be trying to capitalize on a national pandemic to sell their Goop or any other such products. The article finishes with, all in all, catching the coronavirus sucks, and we hope that everyone who has to deal with it, Paltrow included, recovers quickly. But considering that this scary time is making folks Shannon, I couldn't agree with you more. Anyway, the link to this story will be in the bio. I would also link to Gwyneth Paltrow's blog on the matter, but I'm not terribly interested in helping her out with this. Nevertheless, if you're really interested in reading about this further, there's a link in the article to her blog. Anyway, that's all I got for you for this video. If you like this video and generally what I do here and would like to support the channel, there are a number of ways to support me. You can follow me on Twitter at Core Productions. You can join my Corman Productions Facebook group. You can buy something from the Corman Productions store on Zazzle. You can buy me a coffee, which is a new way to support content creators such as myself. And of course, you can like, share, and comment on this video, as well as subscribing to my channel. This is Dave from Corman Productions, signing off.